If your hair is not growing, if your hair is very dry, if you have an itching scalp, then do not go anywhere. This video is for you. Hello, so welcome back to Ahima. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 powerful ingredients that you need to do as a hair mask to help retain moisture, to help grow your hair very healthy, to prevent your hair from dry, to prevent itching scalp, to prevent hair breakages, to prevent thinning of hair, to make your hair look very shiny, to make your hair very strong and very healthy. So in this video I'm going to make use of avocado, banana, and then aloe vera. If you want to grow your natural hair, then you are at the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, so I'll be uploading my weekly videos on how to grow natural hair, very long and very thick and very shiny. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey and then 1 tablespoon of black castor oil. This is a DIY that I made. I already have the video on my channel. You can do well to check it. Then I'm going to add coconut oil to it. So in all, I added 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I added a little bit of water to help with the blending. So if you have difficulty with the blender because there is no water in it, you can add just a little water. Do not make it so watery. So now I've blended my ingredients, and this is the paste that I'm going to have. Always remember that you always have to sieve your blended ingredients. So after you've blended everything, I'm going to put this in my cheesecloth and then squeeze it out to get rid of the residue in my paste. If you want to save yourself from any disgrace, then you should always put it in mind that anytime you blend this ingredient, you are going to strain it. So this paste is going to help your hair to look very shiny. It's going to prevent your hair from becoming so dry. It's going to add moisture to your hair. It's going to treat all hair infections. It's going to grow your hair, and it's going to leave your hair very healthy. So this is the main reason you need to sieve your paste anytime or after you have blended it. So now this is my hair. I'm testing my hair progress so far. So far so good. My hair is growing little by little. So now I'll quickly take off my hairband and then start applying this hair mask on my hair. At this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please support your girl by subscribing. Give me a like and share this video to a lot of people. So after I separated some part of my hair, I will just use my fingers to detangle the hair before applying my hair mask. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamins, and natural oils that strengthen follicles, the hair follicles. It improves elasticity, and then it reduces breakages. So as avocado serves the same as the banana. So the addition of avocado and banana is going to double the strength for improving your hair health. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, minerals and fatty acids that nourish follicles, reduce dandruff and boost growth. So in other words, aloe vera is good for scalp irritation. So if you frequently have itchy scalp because of your hair being very dry, aloe vera is very necessary for this DIY. Don't forget to add aloe vera to your hair mask anytime you are doing hair mask or anytime you are suffering from hair dryness and then itching scalp. Castor oil serves as a heavy moisturizer and sealant for hair. It improves shine, it reduces breakages, and it hydrates the scalp. So castor oil helps with hair moisture and shine, and it reduces hair breakages. While coconut oil promotes hair growth indirectly by nourishing the scalp, reducing protein loss in damaged hair, and then preventing hair breakages. Honey acts as a natural humectant and emollient. It moisturizes, it softens, and it adds shine to hair while reducing breakage and treating scalp conditions. Due to its antioxidants and nutrients in honey, it strengthens the hair, it promotes growth, and can naturally lighten hair over time. Honey is good for dry, damaged, or curly hair. So most of the time, I usually do this hair mask every 4 weeks or every 3 weeks in the month. So once in every month. If you will have a damaged hair, then you should be going with twice in every month. So every 2 weeks you need to do a hair mask. You need to at least give your hair some treatment to prevent all the hair infections and everything that is stopping your hair from growing. So after application, I'm now going to wrap this into a black nylon for about 30 to 1 hour. After 1 hour, I decided to take this thing off, and this is how my hair is. It already looks very thick, and you can see that it's super moisturized. Now wash this with my shampoo and conditioner, and look at my hair, how neat my hair is. My hair is very neat and very soft. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until